Hi everyone and welcome to Urki Electrical channel, the electrical tutorial channel. Now today we will show you how to connect security cameras. We have here a box to connect 4 security cameras here. This is the power box. As you can see, this is the camera power supply box right here. You can connect 4 cameras in these 4 terminals here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terminals, as you can see here, and they are here live in front of you. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 terminals for the 4 cameras. We have already wired the cameras. That's the wires that's coming to get connected to the box right here. As you can see, we have run the wires. We have put the 4 cameras up. There's one over here for the hallway here, and there is another one at the end over there. All right, so we have run the wires around and brought them back to the station here. We will connect the power to this box. As you may know, these wires, for each camera we will have 2 wires to send the power to the camera, the positive and the plus and the negative. Now to connect the power for the cameras, we have the red wire that's gonna be the positive, and the black wire gonna go to the negative terminal. So if you gotta pay attention when you're doing this connection here, because if you don't watch out, if you look good over here, let's see, you see the red come to the positive here and the black to the negative. So but the next terminal, you see the negative is on the left, the positive is on the right. So if you just follow what they did over here, red, black, if you put red, black here, you're gonna put the red on the negative and then the black to the positive. Then you're gonna be wiring it wrong. So you gotta pay attention. Remember, the red gonna go to the positive and the black to the negative. So have black, red, instead of having red, black as they did for the input to the feed for the from the transformer here. Remember, this is a low voltage cameras that receives 12 volt DC current. So this box here gives us it gets 110 volt from here. There's a cord that's gonna connect here and go connect to the outlet right here, and after that this transformer inside this box here, there's a transformer inside here with an input of 110 volt. If you see, it can take 110 volt AC or 220 volt AC, but the output will be only 12 volt DC for the 4 output with 10 amp currents. So that means 2.5 amp per channel. Now we will do that connection now, and we will show you when we finish to do that connection how it's gonna look like. Okay guys, as you can see, the wiring is finished here. You see, we have black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red for the 4 terminals, and at the input here, or we say the supply, the 12 volt, we have red, we have black. So be careful when you're doing this connection to not make the mistake like follow like they did on the beginning here. And remember, we will connect this box here. We will connect it with this cord here to power the panel. We will connect this right here, and then connect the cord to the outlet right here, and 110 will be stepped down with this transformer here to a 12 DC current. So now this box is ready to get powered and to power the cameras we put up. You see, there's one over there, and that's the wires. The wires just come down here, and then one other for the next camera over there. You can see it all the way down there by the window. And we have two more cameras outside, and those wires, they are running from here, go through that hole there and go outside. We have the two cameras outside. And remember, the wires, here is how the wires we run to the cameras look like. There's one example here. As you can see the wire. So this wire right here, we have this wire for the picture, for the camera pictures, and these two wires here, you can see red and black wire. These two wires are the power supply for the camera. So that's how these wires we can see here look like. Right here, this is the wire. So what is next now? We have now to connect connectors that's gonna come to this one, because we have finished with this wire now. Now we will connect. Now we are going to connect the connector that's gonna connect this wire to the DVR here. We will have to connect this DVR with all the four cameras. We have four. This is a DVR for 4 camera stations. So we will take these 4 wires right here. You see 1, 2, 3, and 4 wires. We put the connectors here and connect them to the DVR right here. And we will show you how to put the connectors up and how to connect it to the DVR. Okay, here is how the wire look like. So this is the connector right here that we're gonna put on this wire here, and just tie it on it. And this copper you can see here, this is gonna go inside and get to the head. I don't know if it's possible to see it. Is it possible? Yeah, you can see the copper head over there. There is gonna go in. So we're gonna put it inside from here. Okay, here is how the 4 heads when the connectors are on the wires gonna look like now. And these 4 will connect on the DVR right here. As you can see, there are 4 terminals here, one red and white for the audio. If you want to put audio, then you're gonna put the HDMI over here to connect to a monitor, like a TV or a computer monitor, or whatever you have, or to see the pictures, and you can connect this with this internet cable too. You can connect it to your router, and you can use your phone with the Wi-Fi to monitor the camera. Yes, you can record, replay everything on your phone, or watch it on the screen where you're gonna connect the HDMI cable from the DVR here. So we have finished to connect the connectors. Now all the left thing is to connect the wires to this DVR and plug this box, and start up the cameras after we put the monitor, whatever, TV or computer monitor, anything we have. And then when we finish up, I will show you the finishing material here. Okay, we have 4 cameras, we have the power terminal here, and we have the DVR. Everything is ready to make it work. Thank you, everyone.